Hello, and today I'll be talking about this product right here. That is the protractor. It is a low-tech assistance technology. If you can see, it is clear. Look at it, it's half a circle. You can see the inches and centimeters on it, along with the curved angle to show the degrees, as you can see there. And this instrument can help with measurements and also finding the radius or the angle of any, like in a math problem, or if you just want to draw lines to measure out to something like 2 inches, and also to show a degrees as I demonstrate here. Yep. For this protractor, it is mostly used for such things as art or used on construction sites or maps. These protractors basically help with people with motor function disabilities and such. As I show you that there is a metal point where it can keep the protractor in one place so that limited hand movement can happen to proceed with the progress or the process of creating the shape. As I readjust the protractor real quick, right there showing you the metal point and the lead that is connected to the other side, showing you that yes, I can create a shape all the way around. And there it is. And I will show you how you can also adjust it right there in the middle, right there with the metal in the middle. As I adjust it to widen, I can widen it or shorten the distance between the 2 points. For our next product, we have the low-tech/high-tech assistive technology known as the calculator. Calculators are mostly used in schools and businesses. They really help students and employees alike. But for it to be assistive technology, I would say that its purpose really helps people with learning disabilities, and how it really gives it an easier leeway on how to do math. As I show you the functionality within the calculator, the specific calculator known as the graphing calculator, showing you that it can do basic math along the point of many other things. As you can see right there, the answer. I will also show you many other things, such as the numpad right there, and all the buttons right there. Also showing the functionality as brightening the screen and brightening the screen and dimming the screen. As you can see, it's brightening up. It's many different functionalities. Even all the way to up there, where I can even look at apps on the calculator. This wider range of functions really will help the users who have any learning disabilities, or just anybody who needs help in general with problems that involve math. can do slope intercepts, as it is a graphing calculator. And for this final product, I will be demonstrating the accessibility function or setting within the iPhone, as I show many different ranges of functions that help the visually impaired and the hearing impaired. As if I look through these different features, showing you that these wide range of features really do help the user of the iPhone. And right now, I'm just scrolling through just to give you just a good look of what is in store within these settings. Today, I will be talking about the voiceover setting and the display and text size setting. Right now, I'm going to demonstrate the voiceover. As you can hear it, probably.
Voiceover on. Settings. Voiceover. Switch button. On.
Demonstrating how
Double
the
tap to
user
toggle
would
setting.
hear.
Tip.
Said
Using on-device intelligence.
voiceover
Your
as it is
iPhone can
turned
detect
on.
people, doors,
Right
scenes,
now, I
text,
am,
and
as you can see,
furniture
the
around
directions
you.
up there.
4-finger triple
double
tap to
tap
start live recognition or
to
use the
select
live
the
recognition
items.
rotor.
I'm just
Speaking
giving
rate.
you
Heading.
a good example of what you would hear if you were to be using the voiceover.
Row 6 to 21 of
You
21.
can change the audio, you can change the speed of the voiceover,
Audio.
the
Button.
language, the gender of the voice, and so on and
Tap
so
A.
on.
Button.
And as I shut off the voiceover, I will be heading to the next setting.
Voiceover. Switch button. Voiceover off.
Just also demonstrating just how the speaking rate can be changed. And also showing you the speech. For the next function, well, the final function, which is the display text size, which I'm showing you just how it is capable of. That'll help the visual impaired. As you can see, I can enlarge text and shorten text, as I'm demonstrating right now. I can go take it back to the original size as well, showing the button shapes and how up there in the top left, showing how the accessibility can be highlighted or underlined. Indicators of when something is on or off. And down there, it even has a colorblind setting for people and visually impaired. And right now, that is about it.